Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Excellence in Math. My name is Praveena P. I am a math facilitator. Many students feel afraid of math. But did you know this fear usually comes from just one thing? Yes, it's a lack of conceptual understanding. My goal is to change that. I hold my masters in mathematics and B.Ed, and I am a certified international teacher working for 9 countries. I have an experience in teaching mathematics about 12 years, teaching all the concepts from class 1 to class 12. I have even served as a lecturer in engineering mathematics. I dedicated my career to making complex ideas into simple and clear. Over the years of experience, I have realized that math is not just about solving a textbook exercises. It is actually a framework of a healthy mindset. And it is about learning to think in a right way in order to solve the real world problems. On the Excellence in Math, we make math simple. Whether you study CBSE, ICSE, IB or a state board. My lessons are designed to meet your specific educational requirements. I request you to subscribe to join our learning community and build a stronger foundation in math. Your input is vital. So, I request you to comment a specific topic or a concept where you need more clarity. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to reading the comments and creating the next session based on your requirement. Thank you. Jai Hind.